Today we're going to talk about the mass exodus of people leaving California and coming to places like right here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hi, I'm Lorene Hetherington with hetheringtonteam.com and Parks Realty. I lead a team of very successful agents here in Nashville, and we specialize in luxury homes for sale. It seems like every single day we get a call from someone moving to Nashville, and a lot of those calls are people who live in Cali. So right now we want to talk about why are people leaving and why are people coming here to Nashville. Since 2020, more than 700,000 people have moved out of California. This is not a scientific study, but we've sold about 1,000 homes, and a lot of our relocation traffic of people moving to Nashville are from California. So today's study, if you will, is based on people that we have worked with and what our clients are saying. Why are so many people fleeing California? Well, our clients are giving us three main reasons. Number one, it's expensive in California. Number two, the political climate. And three, the homeless situation. The number one reason, California is crazy expensive. A lot of our clients say they were making a good living, but money was coming in and it was going right back out because it was almost unattainable as a young family to be able to buy a house in California. And it's not only just the price of homes in California, but everything is more expensive. Property taxes, state income taxes. California is one of the most heavily taxed states in the entire US. So taxes, prices of homes, even things like gas, groceries, utilities, whether you own a home or rent it, it's just simply more expensive to live in California. And people love coming here to Tennessee because our number one draw, we have no state income tax. Keep in mind, the prices of our homes are not cheap. It's really around $850,000 to $2 million. That's kind of our wheelhouse to get into a home here. But our property taxes are really stupid low. And that combined with no state income tax makes Nashville an attractive place. Number two, politics. A lot of our clients that moved here to Nashville from California believe that California has just simply lost its moral compass. During COVID, California was known as being one of the toughest states and the hardest restrictions as far as businesses shutting down and staying closed the longest. Here in Nashville, our shutdown during COVID was hard and fast, but after a couple of months, our government leaders and our city leaders said enough is enough. People are losing their homes, they're losing their livelihood. We have got to get back on track. So we're one of the first states to open back up. COVID has just changed a lot of how we do business. And if you don't have to live in California to work there, a lot of people are working remotely and coming to places like right here in Nashville, Tennessee. As an agent of 21 years, I've had the opportunity to help a lot of people move. And I can tell you the temperature during COVID was this intense situation for our buyers moving from California. They would literally call me and say, I'm packing up my kids, I'm packing up my dog, we are getting in the car, I don't have a job, but I don't care. I am getting out of California. Today, there's that same level of commitment, but it's a little less intense. They seem to have a checklist now. I'm meeting with the realtor on Wednesday. On Thursday, my wife is going to apply for jobs in Nashville. So they've got a checklist of things to do, but they are still heading out of California and heading to places like Nashville. So if Nashville's not your vibe, where are other people moving? A lot of people from California are also looking hard at the state of Florida and also at the state of Texas. Ironically, all three of these states tend to be more conservative in values. The number three reason, the homelessness situation. Half of the homeless population in the United States lives in California. A lot of people, our clients that have moved out of California and fled that state, say they've just had it with the situation, and they just feel like their government leaders and people they elected to help make change and protect them are no longer looking out for their best interests. So that is a huge trigger for people moving out of California. I have a favorite saying with my team is, if there's a little voice in the back of your head saying something, that voice needs to get louder and you need to listen to it. So today, if you are listening from that great state of California and you are thinking about a move here to Nashville, make that voice get a little bit louder, and then better yet, pick up the phone, text us, give us a call, and we're happy to answer any questions that you have. We're here to help you with the move, whether it's Nashville, Tennessee, or Texas, or wherever you decide to go. Our channel is all about serving our clients. And on that note, if there's something that we haven't talked about that you are interested about living or moving to Nashville, please drop us a line in the comments and we will make a video about it. So hit the subscribe button so you never miss any content. And again, call or text us if you know someone who's thinking about moving to this great state of Tennessee. We're all about helping you buy a home, get a fresh start, and live your best life yet. We'll see you next time.